float. An era of outstanding technology. Lightweight and precast. These concrete panels by float exhibit high strength, energy efficiency, easy workability, increased floor space area, thermal insulation, earthquake resistance, fire resistance, pest resistance, cost effectiveness. Composed with fine aggregates, cement and an expansion agent, these concrete panels have 80% of air content and are available with and without reinforcement. Offering the length of 1200 mm and height of 600 mm, these panels vary in thickness that measures to 100 mm, 125 mm, 150 mm and 200 mm. From basic roadside toilets and bathrooms to school toilets, Anganwadi centers to school rooms, security cabins to ground plus one offices and residential structures to lavish farmhouses, Float offers all. Apt for the circumstances wherein a building structure is required within a very short period of time, these panels play a remarkable role when there are strict deadlines. The construction of a structure like an individual toilet limits to around 40 minutes. Also, 60 square feet of constructed area can be achieved in just 3 days, which results in saving of time, money and energy. Employed for both internal and external construction, these panels are apt for urban areas with high-rise buildings and those with high temperature variations. They can be used in single and multi-story buildings and are ideal for residential, commercial, educational, industrial and public buildings. Based in Gujarat, Float strives to spread its expertise in construction beyond the state and then the nation. With state-of-the-art infrastructure, Float has its manufacturing unit based near Gandhinagar, wherein a team of technocrats and highly experienced researchers work day in and day out in order to offer the world with an entirely updated form of building system. Customer satisfaction being the prime focus, Float perfects its product line. Eco-friendly in nature and low in density, these autoclaved aerated concrete panels are in an absolute agreement with Green Building Council of India, easily surpassing the conventional burnt brick and AAC block masonry construction. The structure built out of these concrete panels gracefully stands the test of time. Designed by Float, the indigenous technology offers a precisely controlled automatic plant. These panels involve the quick setting adhesive for joinery, and the almost seamlessly finished surface does not require rendering or plastering. It is to be noted that a normal structure that soars till first floor weighs around 200 metric tons, whereas the same structure by Float weighs up to just around 25 metric tons. Structures made from Float require less amount of water for curing due to less number of joints. Let us compare the seismic performance of buildings constructed with Float AAC panels, adobe masonry and concrete brick masonry. Performance at frequency 1 Hz, 5 cycles, displacement 15 mm. Performance at frequency 10 Hz, 5 cycles, displacement 15 mm. Performance at frequency 25 Hz, 20 cycles, displacement 15 mm. From the performance result, it is clear that Float structures maintain structural integrity under adverse seismic conditions in comparison with conventional building materials. Hence, float structures are ideal for regions of high seismic activity. Float, the most innovative building material available in today's market, has many salient features which makes it an inevitable ingredient of every changing construction industry. Easy to handle because of lightweight. No preparation of cement mortar required at construction site. Less use of it. Easy to maintain line and plumb. Can be constructed even by unskilled labor or by no manpower at all. Plaster can be eliminated. Almost no use of water. As a result, lightness in weight and ease of construction play a major role in justifying the massive usage of these low-density wall panels for construction work on an island, in a desert region, high-altitude location, and coastal regions. Since its inception, Float has earned an outstanding reputation and have been able to distinguish themselves at various exhibition platforms across the world by constantly defining and refining excellence in products, process, and customer care. We make certain that the products are packed sternly using the best-in-class material and with excellent and reliable shipping facilities. Apart from India, the nations like Australia, Bahrain, China, Eastern Europe, Israel, and the USA are increasingly employing these concrete panels in their construction projects because Float employs speed, strength, and seamlessness, and thus the structure could stand with perfection. Float, an era of outstanding technology.